see exercise 11.3 for 8th standard NCERT syllabus, 8th sum. First I'll read the question. The lateral surface area of the hollow cylinder is 4224 centimeter square. It is cut along its height and formed a rectangular sheet of width 33 centimeter. Find the perimeter of the rectangular sheet. Find the perimeter of the rectangular sheet. For example, in one paper I will show that. See, it is in the metal shape. What we are doing? We are converting into the cylinder, hollow cylinder. Okay, we are converting this one to the hollow cylinder like this. Okay, we are converting this one to the hollow cylinder. To the height wise we are cutting it. So we will get it like a rectangular sheet. So this curved surface, when it is like this, it is in the curved surface. It is like the curved surface. This curved surface, it is converted into the width. That is okay. So lateral surface area of the cylinder, it is given in the question, 4224 centimeter square. Width, okay, width of rectangular sheet, it is converted. Okay, the sheet is equal to circumference of the cylinder. It is the circumference of the cylinder. So width, what is the width they have given in the question? 33, okay, 33 centimeter. It is equal to the circumference of the cylinder. It will be in the circle shape. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to 33 centimeter. You keep this one as such. Then we will go for the sum. LSA they have given in the question. LSA of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. They have given 4224 as LSA. So 2 pi r we know already it is 33. Instead of this 2 pi r we can substitute as 33. Okay, 33 into H we doesn't know. So we have to find the H. So 4224 divided by 33. We can divide both the things by 11. So 11 3 times. Here if you have cancelled this, in 33. Okay. 11 times we are cancelling. We will get 3. Then again we will get 92. In 92 8 times. Again the 4 is the remainder. So 44 means we will have 4. It is equal to H. 384 divided by 3 is equal to H. This can be cancelled by 3. 3 ones are 3. 1. In this 8 we will have 2 times. Remainder 2, 24. So 8. So H is equal to 128 centimeter. H is equal to 128 centimeter. Okay. Instead of after finding the H, okay, this H, see in this paper itself, this is the width and this will be the height. If you, while you are considering this one as the cylinder, okay, if you are, see this is the cylinder. If you are making this one as the cylinder, okay, if you are opening it, what will happen? This will be converted into the width and this will be the height. Height means length. So length is equal to, L is equal to 128 centimeter and breadth is equal to 33 centimeter. They are asking us to find the perimeter. So perimeter of sheet, rectangular sheet, it is equal to 2 into L plus B units. 2 into L plus B units. So 2 into L is 128, okay, plus B is 33. So 128 plus 33, we'll add 11, carry over 1, 6, 1. So we'll have 2 into 161. So we'll multiply. 2 1s are 2, 6 2s are 12, carry over 1. So 322. Okay, this is the perimeter of the sheet. Perimeter of the sheet. The hollow cylinder, if you are cutting and if you are finding the perimeter, we will be getting 322 centimeter. Okay, that's it. Thank you.